Here's a simple solution to sticky buttons. See how this is smooth? This is all sticky. My finger sticks to it. I haven't seen many people talk about this. I know there's a couple videos on YouTube with this. I was skeptical at first, but essentially you get your lens wipes. You can buy them anywhere, and they contain mostly alcohol. And what you need to do is, you don't need any sort of solutions, none of that. You just take the wipe and you start wiping through this, and these are pretty inexpensive, so you don't need to worry about spending too much. Just open it up a little bit. These ones on Jaguars are pretty stubborn, so you might need to go through a couple of wipes before you get the final results, but you press on it a little bit and you see how the gunk's coming off. Just slight pressure. Make sure you don't apply too much pressure. Then you dig into the actual colors of this. I've messed up the navy button right here, but that was not with the wipe. I was using a toothpick. That was not a good choice, but you see this just after about 2 minutes or less than that, it's smooth compared to that. So just use a wipe, clean up the rest of the buttons. I'm gonna go through all of them and post a video at the end, but yeah, under 10 bucks gets the job done, not too much hassle.